Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to play games on any Apple CarPlay system. Out of the box, Apple CarPlay doesn't allow gaming apps, but with a few workarounds, you can unlock your iPhone's full potential on your car screen. The easiest way is using CarBridge, which mirrors any app from your iPhone directly into CarPlay, including games like Asphalt, Clash of Clans, or even emulators. Just install CarBridge, connect your iPhone to CarPlay, and choose the game you want to launch. It will appear in your CarPlay menu like a normal app. Another option is screen mirroring apps, which casts your entire phone display onto the car screen, letting you play whatever's on your iPhone. And that's all there is to it. You can now turn CarPlay into a mini gaming console. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.